has also visited the Rameshwaram Cafe in Hyderabad last night in solidarity against what happened in Bengaluru. The AIMIM chief tweeted about it as well, writing, and I quote, "The food was very lovely, and it's very important to remember that the cafe is named after APJ Abdul Kalam's birthplace, Rameshwaram." He spoke about the cafe blast as well, saying the cafe blast is an act of cowardice and an attack on Indian values. In fact, Owaisi also spoke to reporters there. He said that this was his way of showing solidarity. He said that the Rameshwaram Cafe blast is an act of cowardice. It is an attack on Indian values. He visited the Rameshwaram Cafe in Hyderabad as well to show his solidarity with it. In fact, on one hand, we have the politics around it playing out. The Aam Aadmi Party in Bengaluru, one of the leaders claiming that this is the BJP beginning its Lok Sabha campaign. On the other hand, the BJP has questioned the Congress party in this regard, saying the stance that the party has taken, a soft stance against anti-nationals, is what has led to this kind of a security threat for the people of Bengaluru. In the latest now, we have Asaduddin Owaisi as well wading in. He has visited the Rameshwaram Cafe in Hyderabad. And he tweeted regarding the same as well, as I just read out. My colleague Aditi is also joining us with that tweet from Owaisi.
Well, exactly, Pratibha. While, details are still brewing in the blast probe, what happened, how it happened, who's behind this blast, the politics is also brewing at its peak. Now, Asaduddin Owaisi visited the cafe, and here are some pictures that he shared on his X handle. He said, visited Hyderabad's Rameshwaram Cafe in solidarity. The food was lovely, and it's very important to remember that the cafe is named after APJ Abdul Kalam's birthplace. Rameshwaram Cafe blast is an act of cowardice and an act of on India's values. So again, hitting out at the Karnataka government that how can a blast took place, what were the cops doing, why is there no such angle and no such clarity on what happened, why it happened. Top leaders in the Karnataka government are also giving two different statements. Nobody is on the same page, while the cops are also probing a darknet angle now that the sources have told us right now.
Okay, all right. So we have visuals as well of Asaduddin Owaisi visiting the Rameshwaram Cafe, where he said that he decided to visit this cafe in solidarity. Listen into what happened. Right. On that note, we're slipping into a short break here. We'll be right back. To stay with us.